Though ago and before can be used in the same meaning, they are not interchangeable. Let's see the differences. Number 1. Ago is used with a time expression to count back from the present. Let's see an example. He came to me 3 days ago, or he left for home 1 hour ago. Here I am counting 3 days or 1 hour from the present moment. That means I am counting 3 days or 1 hour from the moment when I am saying this sentence. But before is used with a time expression to count back from a past moment. Let's see an example. When she met me, I remembered that I had met her 1 year before. Here you see, she met me, that time is already past, and I am counting 1 year from that past moment. So I am counting 1 year not from the moment when I am saying this sentence, rather I am counting 1 year back from a past moment. Number 2. Before can also be used to mean at any time before now or then. With this meaning, it is usually used with both present and past perfect tenses. Actually, you can use it with any tense, but remember the tense has to be perfect tense. Let's see an example. I have watched this film before. You see, I am just saying before. I am using before without any time expression. I am not saying 2 days before or 3 months before, 5 weeks before. I am just saying before. If you use before in this way without time expression, you can use it with any tense. This example is in the present tense. Let's see an example in the past tense. She came to me for help. I had warned her before. Let's summarize what has been discussed till now. With time expression, ago, count the time from the present. Before, count the time from a past moment. Without time expression, before can be used with any tense, but the tense has to be perfect tense. If you like this video, please subscribe to this channel and follow on Facebook at www.facebook.com/learnenglish with SM Jawar.